Keep going until it's in frame. Yeah, just keep going down. Okay, a little bit more up.
Okay.
A little higher so that if you get tired and you sag, it'll still be good. Yeah, perfect. That's great.
Okay.
Applause for Michael.
Go Michael.
Yeah.
Michael's a real one.
Well, you've got 3 weeks before applications are due. What's your plan?
Yeah, do one more take starting later in the scene.
Okay.
Maybe from the same line you just started from.
Okay.
And then if you guys can, you don't have to look directly at each other necessarily if that helps.
Well, okay, we have 3 weeks left until applications are due. What's your plan?
Right at me. It's his blame him, not me.
One more time, yeah, okay.
Maybe look at each other's foreheads.
Okay, there we go.
Each other's foreheads?
There we go, that's better, yeah. That way, yeah.
I don't know if that's gonna
Just do
help.
like the last
Okay.
couple lines, maybe.
Okay, here we go. Okay, so we've got 3 weeks left before college applications are due. What's your plan? Come on! Jeez!
Wait, are we starting? You. Over here.
Wait, you're not in frame, Finley.
Shit.
Oh, hey, Maya.
What's up, Marcus? What'd you think of chess club?
It's pretty intense in there.
I joined thinking I could beat him, but he's never lost a match.
So maybe try a little bit.
Okay.
Like gasp a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, action.
I mean, not in such high def.
Wait,
Don't worry about it, Grandmaster. It's all under control. Ooh, took your queen. How'd you like that, huh? It's gonna come back.
Is Grandmaster about to lose? Is Grandmaster about to lose? Is Grandmaster about to lose? Is Grandmaster about to lose?
I can't believe I just freaking beat him. There's no way. I'm sorry. Hello, is this the beach volleyball club?
10 push-ups right now. Do it again. 10 push-ups.
No!
Do 10 push-ups right now.
No!
10 push-ups.
That was incredible. It's moving.
Should I go with him?
Oh, inspiring.
All right, again, you can't say that, Isaac. It's okay, it's okay.
my bad.
Okay, now Julius, go sit where Finley was. You're still recording, right, all of them? Okay. Put your hands down, though. You don't need to be like holding them. Oh, they're on the seat things. Okay. That's good. That's good. All right, I thought he was levitating. Yeah. All right. Okay. Everybody silent. Let me just get a few seconds of that.
Hey, Maya. What are you doing? Hello, Grandmaster. Are you guys okay?
Okay. Don't cut, but go back around.
yeah,
Don't say
let's
hello.
Yeah.
It's all over now because of you. All of it. Everything. It's all over now because of you. All of it. Everything.
Come on, Marcus.
All of it. Everything. I didn't walk.
I told you start walking.
Hey, Grandmaster. Are you guys good?
Oh shit. Okay, we gotta move.
Sorry. Okay. Cut.
Hey, Grandmaster.
Sorry. Take it again. The motorcycle. Okay. All right. That was good. Let's see. Okay. I need a couple angles of you just dropping the piece.
Okay.
Also, we don't need to worry about audio about these now, because we have enough. Okay. Yeah, just start like that. We're gonna get a straight on shot. Give me another frantic look. Look like more intense.
Grandmaster?
Hey there, Marcus. Thought I wanted to. Damn it.
Action.
Sorry, Luke. Sorry.
Keep rolling. Keep rolling.
Sorry.
We're good.
Hey there, Marcus.
I'm over it.
Action!
Yes, Grandmaster.
Because those people who tie us down.
You're good. You're good. Just keep going from where you
I'm
stopped.
sorry, there was also a bug on you, and it was bug.
We're gonna have different angles, so no worries.
Stop annoying.
No one's
Just
laughing.
look
I'm sorry.
look
Wait,
away
let me,
from him.
let
Look
me
away from
reset.
him.
Let me reset a little bit.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. I know. I know.
I feel like all these people recording us think this is like
Who is recording?
No, keep it going.
maybe they're like, oh my god, new movie dropped.
All right, everybody ready?
2025.
Hands together. Don't look at him. Okay. Here we go. Now, let me get a yes, Grandmaster.
Wait.
Why did you say it?
Sorry, that was really weird. That was really weird.
Look at me, please.
Just
okay?
say yes, Grandmaster.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right, you got
Are
this.
you sure people shouldn't say like yes, Grandmaster with me?
What? No, yeah, you do just.
Just
if
me?
that helps. If that helps.
Okay, can you say
Yeah.
it with me?
Sure.
Thanks. Okay.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. And then you say it. 3, 2, 1.
Yes.
Well, okay, sorry.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Yes, Grandmaster.
Okay, yes, Grandmaster on 3. 3, 2, 1.
Yes, Grandmaster.
Action. Got it. Oh my god.
Where is he?
Stop! Stop! What are you doing?